Welcome to Tech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello, you are welcome to this class. So in this our class, we are going to be looking at managing audio. So we'll also look at how to detach audio, how to mute audio. Alright, so we'll be able to detach audio, we'll be able to mute it, and we'll extract audio from the video. Then we'll put an artificial audio. That means we can also extract audio from another video and put it on our video. Okay, we're going to be doing that with CapCut. So we'll go head over to our CapCut, click on CapCut Pro. So just wait for it to open. Alright, so we'll head over to our project. Don't forget that. So you can also still come here and get your video done immediately here. You can still click on this video. Alright, so I love going through projects so that I can see the list of videos that I have created, just in case so that I don't create video more than one time. So I love coming here. So this is what you are going to click on create. So if you click on create, it means that you are going to create a new project. So it's going to take us here. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, I will just scroll down. Let me make use of this particular video. It's 58. Alright, so I'm going to click on add. Alright, we'll just wait for it to load, up completely. So once we are done, we are going to check whether there is sound in this particular video. Remember, we are going to, first of all, I'm going to teach you how to mute audio. Then I will mute it. Then we're going to detach the audio from it. I'm going to go ahead and add a separate audio from another video. Alright, so that's what we have. So in order for you to mute this clip once, there are different methods that you can use. With just one click, you mute it. We have mute this clip. Alright, I can just come here and click on it. It said original sound of the clip muted. Let me play it now. Alright, so you can see there is no sound currently, so the sound is not playing anything. So we have already muted the video. So we are going to come to, so if you want to unmute that, you still do the same thing. Just come here and click on the mute. You can see what they wrote on this is unmute. Once you click on it, it's going to unmute it. So I'm going to go ahead and unmute it. The original sound of all clips unmuted. That's what they wrote out. So we are going to hit on continue up. As you can see, that is how you mute your video. So we're just going to go over to the next, which is detaching our sound. And we are going to detach and synchronize it. So we have our sound here. Here is our audio. You're going to go ahead and click on audio. I'll click on it. Alright, you can see we have different options to pick from here. So this extract, for us to extract. Now if we click on this extract, it's going to take us to our video where we can, what we're going to do, we are going to take only the sound from a particular video and add it to this one we are currently playing. And that's what we're going to do with that. This sound is to add external sound. Let's say you have external audio sound. Alright, this first one is to extract sound from a video. Alright, we're going to do that now. We extract sound from a video. This other one is to take sound from your phone or online sound that you can just add background music. Then you have sound effects. This is to record. You want to record, that's to record. So we're just going to extract our sound. So I'll go ahead and click on extract. As you can see, so we are just going to make use of another video. So you can see what is written here. Look at what it said here. It said extract and add audio. Alright, so any video that we click on here now, any video that we click on here, we are going to automatically extract the sound from that particular video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. So let's click on add. So as you can see now, we have already inputted our extracted sound here. Now this sound was extracted. This is not an audio, so we have extracted it now to this our video. So we took the sound from a video. Alright, so if I click on play, now you can see that I currently unmute this particular video. This is my original video. It's currently unmuted. So I'm just going to go ahead and mute this video. So currently now we have two different sounds. We have the one coming from this video and the one coming from the sound that we extracted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mute this sound. I'll click on mute. Okay, original sound of clip has been muted. So this is currently mute. So let's go ahead and just click on play. So in the instance, you can also come here in case maybe you want to use this particular audio, right? You know, that's what we have been doing since. You can decide to reduce this one to be the background sound while this other audio will still be playing. So let's try that out. I'm going to just next thing I need to do is to come over here and unmute this one first so that we can have this video playing. I'm going to click on unmute. Original sound before clip unmuted. I'll play it. Now you can see both of the extracted audio is playing while the video is also playing. Alright, so what we are going to do, we are going to reduce one so that one will become the background sound. We are going to reduce this one to the background sound. I'm going to make use of our normal video sound as the original sound. What we do, we come to volume. As you can see, our sound is already highlighted. Like I said, if you want to edit anything, must highlight it. It's currently highlighted as you are seeing here. So I will come to volume, reduce the volume. So as you can see that the sound is now on the background, so we reduce the volume of this particular sound. So this is how you extract audio from your video. In case maybe you like a particular sound from a video but you don't have access to the audio, this is how you can use CapCut to extract it. You extract it and add it to your video. Alright, maybe you like the background music of a particular video you saw, you like the background music and what you are hearing, and you don't have the audio. This is how you can convert it and add it to your own video. All right, so it is that simple. So this is all for today. I will see you in my next class.